Government singles out a group today, treating them differently along the way. No person violation, that part's true. Trust the facts, they'll tell you what to do. Race, alien, age, national, legend, top tier. Government's burden, necessary, coupling crystal clear. Gender, illegitimacy, middle zone. Substantial and important, government holds the throne. Everybody else, the false to rational basis, see. Plaintiff carries the burden, rationally related, legit interest is the key. Top two test, government carries all the weight. Match the burden with the buzzword that decides your fate. Type 1. Spot the issue, group treated differently, excel. Equal protection, not due process, not commerce clause. Government treats a group apart, that's your probable cause. Type 2, they tell you straight, suing on EP grounds. Hunt for the scrutiny through those answer mounds. Race, alien, age, national origin, strict scrutiny. Necessary and compelling. Government burden, see. Gender, illegitimacy, intermediate. Substantial and important, government's got to weigh. Everybody else, rational basis, plaintiffs on the line. Rationally related, legitimate interest, you're doing fine. Match the burden with the buzzword, don't you hesitate. Lock it in and pick it, you just ace the test today. Long answer choices, don't get lost inside the noise. Extract the buzzwords only, that's your signal, that's your poise. Privacy rights, contraception fundamental to interstate travel, strict scrutiny, intrastate won't do. Not on the fundamental list, rational basis every time. 2 levels only, substantive due process, you'll be fine. Race, alien, age, national origin, strict scrutiny. Necessary and compelling. Government burden, see. Race, alien, age, national origin, strict scrutiny. Necessary and compelling. Government burden, see. Gender, illegitimacy, intermediate. Substantial and important, government's got to weigh. Everybody else, rational basis, plaintiffs on the line. Rationally related, legitimate interest, you're doing fine. Match the burden with the buzzword, don't you hesitate. Lock it in and pick it, you just ace the taste today. 3 levels, 3 tests, strict, necessary, compelling, intermediate, substantial, important, rational basis, rationally related, legitimate, due process, fundamental rights. Match the burden, pick the buzzword, lock it in. Race, alien, each